when someone isn't grateful as a person, they only see big wins or nothing. They
Oh
have,
yeah.
yeah, for example, say there's a kid going through school right now. Say he passes his exams semester by semester. He may not see those as wins, but what he is going to see as wins is when he finally gets that degree. So
Exactly.
he keeps going for that next big thing, completely forgetting the little small wins along the way. I'm sure for you, in terms of bodybuilding, there's a lot of small wins that make that big win.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, it's the compound effect is, what it is. And you can't belittle the small. I mean, like the thing is they're big. The small wins are just as big as the big wins because you can't necessarily have the big wins without the small wins.
Mm-hmm.
Like, for instance, and it's tough. It's something that you do have to consciously do because when you're celebrating a bigger win, it's kind of a subconscious thing. You think in your mind, like, okay, that's what I'm going for,
Yep.
But you also have to realize that on the path to getting to what you're going for, you are also going for this, these small things. So you have to put a conscious effort into actually celebrating those smaller ones as you build and you're getting closer to your end goal. And that's something that, I'm constantly having to be better with too. But, to go back to your question with bodybuilding, absolutely. Every rep counts. Every calorie counts, everything. Whatever we do, it's all a compound effect. You don't look at your results on a daily basis. It's tough to. You do need to. But we look at the end game. We're looking at like 12 weeks from now. But 12 weeks from now starts today,
Absolutely. Same with public speaking, because every now and then when I have new Toastmasters mentees, they're at this point like completely filled with speech anxiety. They're really nervous to get on stage. And a lot of them in the beginning stage, they're wondering, well, when am I going to be in a Toastmasters competition? I'm like, don't even worry about the competition yet. First, give your icebreaker speech, which is speech number 1. So once they give the icebreaker speech, they know that the whole speech anxiety is blown way out of proportion, and now they can give a speech. Then they're thinking, okay, well, now when do I give the Toastmaster speech? But eventually I'm like, okay, just focus one by one, and eventually you'll get there. Mm-hmm. And that's what typically happens. Those small speeches along the way eventually allow you to perform on the grand stage of the speech competition.